To get started, click the little guy in the left-hand corner of Streamlabs Chatbot. The bot name and stream channel can be the exact same account. After that, you log into Twitch just like normal to generate your Oath token. Fill in your Twitch streamer channel. For this, log in again just like normal. To implement your chatbot into your Discord channel, go to your user settings, go down to Appearance, click on Developer Mode. Escape out of here, right-click on your server name at the top, go down to Copy ID, paste it into Client ID, and hit Join Server. In the bot channel, type the text you want the bot doing its thing, and in Several, type out your subscriber's role in Discord. To create a new command, click on the plus sign in the top right. It's generally accepted that commands start with an exclamation point, but you don't need it. You can use anything or nothing. Set the point cost where it can be used, if it can be used, and which group, if any, you want to organize it in. Set the minimum role required to use it, and if there's a cooldown in between uses. If you want a response in chat, type that out. If you want a sound file to play when the command is used, find it on your computer, then hit submit. Start making timers by hitting the plus sign in the top right. Fill out the name that fits the timed response, pick a group or make a new one to organize it, and type out the message you want your bot to post in your Twitch chat periodically. Don't forget to hit submit. FYI, the active and enable fields at the top of your creations and the active check mark on the right side all do the same thing. Exclamation point giveaway is the standard command for viewers, but it can be anything. Choose the minimum rank required for viewers to enter, if there is a cost and how much, if there is a max amount of tickets and how many. Use the timer if you want the giveaway to end at a certain time, otherwise you do it manually. Once the giveaway is completed, click on the pick winner. To start using Songrequest, click the toggle to on at the top. To populate your playlist, click on Import, right-click, and copy-paste the link of the address of any YouTube video or playlist and click Add. Songrequest settings, click on the gear on the top right. Here you can choose the settings to limit who can request, skip, and veto videos. To save load usage on your computer, set Show Video to False. For mode, select the option on the bottom. Limits are a good idea if you don't want unsafe requests. Setting costs are a good idea if you're worried about random trolls. Setting maxes only matter if you have a lot of different people requesting music. To have Chatbot make things fun with sounds, first you must toggle sound files to on in the top left corner. Click the plus sign in the top right corner to start adding sounds. Use groups to keep your sounds organized. Locate the sound file on your computer. Save time by having Chatbot automatically create a command for this sound. If you have a lot of viewers that like to play games with you, you can set up a queue. In the settings, you can have the chatbot give responses in Twitch chat when someone enters a queue, is picked, or leaves the queue with your own custom messages. Crafting your own currency system on your channel, toggle currency on in the top left. You can make the system work from the extension or locally on your computer. To customize your currency, click on the gear in the top right. Your currency can have a custom name and command unique to your channel, along with a response given if someone types in the currency command. If you want to give out currency to people that support your channel, you can set the amounts in the event payout section. Right-click on a viewer's name to edit their points. To start a poll using Chatbot, type in the question you want polled and the options viewers have to vote on. Click Add after each option. Allow multi-voting if viewers are allowed to vote on more than one option in the poll. Press Start when your poll is ready. Streamlabs Chatbot has a betting feature so that your viewers can risk their currency on an outcome. Set the bet by typing it in at the top and add options one by one. The count is the amount of points the viewer bet plus the percentage you set. Mod tools are available for you if your channel needs protection on a more customizable level than the basic Twitch safety settings. Notifications are an excellent feature that thank your supporters by responding to follows, subs, hosts, cheers, and donations with a message in your channel's chat. If Chatbot is connected to your Discord, it can announce when you go live, post timers, and give a role to a viewer when they first join your Discord.